In today's digital age, cyber threats are evolving faster than ever, putting personal and organizational data at constant risk. Stay ahead of the curve by understanding the top cybersecurity threats you need to know about. First up, ransomware. This malicious software locks you out of your files or entire system that demands payment for their release. It's a digital kidnapping of your data and it's on the rise. To guard against ransomware, always back up your data, keep your software updated, and never click on suspicious links or attachments. Next, we have phishing scams. These are deceptive emails or messages designed to trick you into giving away personal information like passwords or credit card numbers. Always verify the sender's information and look out for urgent or threatening language, a common red flag in phishing attempts. Number 3, state sponsored attacks. These are cyber attacks carried out by or on behalf of a government entity. The targets are often under the government systems, critical infrastructure, or key industries. Staying informed about the latest security protocols and ensuring your systems are up to date are key defenses against these sophisticated attacks. At number 4, we have IoT vulnerabilities. With more devices connected to the internet than ever before, from smart fridges to security cameras, the potential for hacking has skyrocketed. Ensure all your devices are using strong, unique passwords and always install software updates promptly. Last but not least, defakes. These are hyper-realistic video or audio recordings that use artificial intelligence to impersonate someone. They're becoming a powerful tool for misinformation and fraud. Critical thinking and verifying information through multiple sources are your best defenses against falling for a deep fake. And there you have it, the top 5 security threats that everyone should be aware of. The digital world is full of challenges, but by staying informed and vigilant, we can protect ourselves and our data.